Imagine you're on a secret mission, a digital treasure hunt. You're looking for a cryptocurrency that's both private and secure. You've heard about Beam, a privacy-focused coin that's been making waves in the crypto world. But can you buy it with your Ethereum, ETH? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Beam and ETH. Beam is a cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble, a privacy-enhancing protocol. This means your transactions are shielded from public view, making it a popular choice for those who value privacy. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts and hosts various applications. Can you directly buy Beam with ETH? Unfortunately, you can't directly buy Beam with ETH. There's no built-in exchange or mechanism that allows for this direct swap. However, don't worry, there are a few workarounds we can explore. Method 1. Using a centralized exchange. One of the most common methods is to use a centralized exchange. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. While they offer convenience, they might compromise your privacy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a reputable exchange. Look for exchanges that prioritize security and have a good reputation. Deposit ETH. Transfer your ETH from a wallet to the exchange. Buy a bridge currency. Most exchanges don't have direct ETH to Beam pairs. You'll need to buy a bridge currency like Bitcoin, BTC, or Tether, USDT, first. Trade for Beam. Once you have the bridge currency, you can trade it for Beam. Method 2. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. If you're a privacy enthusiast, decentralized exchanges, DEXs, might be a better option. DEXs operate on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for central authority. Here's how it works. Find a DEX with a Beam market. Look for DEXs that support Beam trading. Connect your wallet. Connect your wallet to the DEX using a compatible protocol like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Swap ETH for Beam. Use the DEX's built-in swapping functionality to exchange your ETH for Beam. Method 3. Over-the-counter, OTC, trading. For larger transactions or specific requirements, consider over-the-counter, OTC, trading. This involves dealing directly with a counterparty, often a market maker or a large investor. OTC trading can offer more flexibility but requires careful research and due diligence. Additional considerations. Fees. Be aware of the fees associated with each method. Centralized exchanges often charge transaction fees, while DEXs might have slippage or gas fees. Security. Prioritize security when choosing a platform or counterparty. Use strong wallets and be cautious of phishing scams. Privacy. If privacy is your primary concern, DEXs and OTC trading might be more suitable than centralized exchanges. While you can't directly buy Beam with ETH, there are several viable options available. Whether you prefer the convenience of centralized exchanges or the privacy-focused approach of DEXs, you can find a method that suits your needs. Just remember to do your research and prioritize security throughout the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.